Hey guys, in this video we're talking about how to make Windows 11 taskbar smaller or larger. So I just recommend using this Explorer Patcher app. It's completely free and open source, so it allows you to change the size of your taskbar. I am currently not using it, so the taskbar you can see on my OS is completely stock. So if you want to change the size of your taskbar and also other functionality of your Windows taskbar and Windows Explorer, you can use this app. So guys, you just go to their official GitHub page, go to releases, and download the setup in here. All right, download this and install it to your system. All right, and as you can see, after I ran the Explorer Patcher, now I've gotten myself a new taskbar. And now let us navigate to the settings of it. All right, so in the settings, you have the taskbar icon size. And if you ever wish to remove the app, you go to your settings, apps, installed apps, and Explorer Patcher in search and uninstall it. And everything will now go back to default. Okay, as you can see, everything's back. And another cool app to change the size of your taskbar is called Windhoek. Okay, you download it for Windows 11, download it. Now let us install it. Wait for everything to get downloaded. Let us now open it. Okay, so this is Windhoek. And in here we have, as you can see, the setting, taskbar height and icon size. Press on details and press on install. As you can see in the explanation, also we can make it bigger. We can set different sizes of our taskbar. So press on install. And as you can see now, I have actually made my icons on the desktop a bit bigger. But if you want to make them smaller, that's also possible. So these icons kind of remind me of the Mac. To be honest, on the Mac they also have a very big, not very, but just kind of a bigger than Windows icon sizes on the taskbar. So pretty cool, I guess. So you just go to settings, and in the taskbar height you choose whichever you wish, icon size whichever you wish, so you can just customize everything as you wish. So taskbar height is basically going to be this height right over here. So from the bottom of your screen until this edge on the top. So let me, for example, make it smaller. So 52, let me just copy that 52 as default. Let's make it smaller. Let's set it to 25, for example, and save the settings. All right, so you will also, as you can see, need to make your icons smaller as well because they don't fit in. All right, now it's cool. So make icons, for example, say 15 and then 25 for the taskbar height. That should be fine. And yeah, that's pretty much how to do this, guys. So if you enjoy these kind of tutorials, guys, don't forget to support us with a like and a subscription, and I'll see you in the next video.